In this lecture, you will learn how to create a relationship between two tables. First of all, click on Database Tools and then Relationships tab. Right-click anywhere, then Show Table. Select your tables. Drag your primary key over foreign key created in the previous video. Referential integrity allows us to have only those entities in the second table which are already present in the first table. I will explain it later. I have already inserted some rows on my guest table. As you can see, there is no entity with guest ID 5 on my guest table. It will throw an error. And if I change it to something else like 4, it will work just fine.